Welcome again. At the start, this appears to be a simple miscarriage case with an LMP of 10 weeks pregnancy. The gestation sac is 33 mm, which is 8 weeks and 3 days, and fetal pole is 12 mm, which is 7 weeks and 3 days. There is no fetal pole cardiac activity and no blood flow and decreased growth. So this is a final diagnosis of miscarriage. But what is the large cystic area just superior to the uterus, midline and on the right side? Is this grossly distended unibladder? Because unibladder is not separately visualized at this time. I have seen some ultrasound reports misdiagnose this type of cystic structure as an over-distended unibladder. This is very large in size, that is 21 multiply 15 centimeter, and a volume of about plus 3600 ml, that is 3.6 liter. It has thin wall filled with clear fluid, no internal debris, no septa, no solid component seen. We can clearly see all of its superior and inferior walls. This is slightly on right side and extending superiorly up to the upper third of the abdomen. The unibladder in this case is completely empty, which is difficult to see due to large size of this cyst. This is movable slightly on right side and extending superiorly, differentiating it from unibladder. To confirm this, a TVS ultrasound is done, which again confirms the diagnosis of miscarriage, and unibladder is clearly visualized with a small amount of fluid, urine. We can also see urethra just anterior to the vaginal cavity opening in the unibladder. This type of large simple ovarian cyst is uncommon but can still develop due to hormonal imbalance or if left untreated. Thanks for watching the video.